Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School kala yo bandra ya top position ha ka commerce stream ha ka Disha Chokani kala yo ya ka first position. Habe akran wa kinong thok khobor ka Disha Chokani kala ong bakala snokmen shibon baka yo ya ka kadan balban penlong ya kikmi kikpa ba kinong hi kai bakin sngo sarong. Kale thuru ba ka jingat linti jongka shibon ke jing e ka kendo handrei habakut hi ka yo so ubathyang. Hakabede bagi exam ka Chokani kala yatho bagi exam ka biang batman ka por ka penkre yalade kala ongru baga khmilinti banwan shakmat hakani ka exam haka top 10 hendrei kampoi perkhat bakan yo ya ka kedan Nyngkong kani ka samla kala ongru balada phishim bakanu kanu ka subject ka e penkre yalade dak ba pule kot bha lada phi pule phinlap hangnu kata ka jing bom sngu tho kadan la ka deishisla ne bunsla kala ongru bana ka por shakapor kala panjing rap na kino hikai la kam sngu tho kle thur baman ka sngi ka pule watla kamdon ka por baka bu kerpang hendrei ka shim ya kalat bakan pule man ka sngi bat ha kanu ka subject ka baka duna ka prishang ban pule na ka por shakapor bat ban jingbot bha ka St. Anthony's kala yoru ban bat ya ka tan ka bahandriu da ka van lal chwangi ka animesh pial ha ka dan ka bahanyo nandani kumari ha ka dan ka bakhandai Nakaliang principal ke St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Father Anthony Kharkongor habakran berkinong thok khobor ule tho bagitu ki khana ki bakhambyang hakapuli ka puthi bat ki bayo e ki mak ki bahe kidang pen khre irade hendrei kito ki bakhamduna ngiju ai jingmot de ki ban pan jingarap na ki no hi kai lada ki don kam jingarap.
Congratulations on your passing. So something about yourself with these exams.
So firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Disha Chokani and I've secured the first position in commerce stream. I'm from St. Anthony's High Secondary School. And to express myself, I don't think I can put it into words. I'm so happy, and earlier I was very nervous, but then I'm very happy that I could make my parents, my teachers and everyone proud. I feel this journey was full of ups and downs, but finally it ended on a very sweet note. So very grateful for it, and I feel God has always been with me throughout this. He has seen me crying before exams. He has seen me when I was preparing. He was seeing me do everything with my best self, and I think He was there throughout. I'm so grateful to each and everyone, even my seniors, my friends, my juniors. Everyone was very supportive. Actually, to be honest, the exams went really good. And I didn't have any special thing for giving the exams. I was just going normally giving it. I was apart at the end when you have studied everything, the only thing which matters is the presentation. Because when you have studied everything, there's not much you can actually do towards the end. It's the presentation. So for the presentation, I tried my best to keep it neat, to keep it properly, to line, to put some the formulas in a box. And these were some things I did at the end to make my presentation complete.
Did you expect that you'd secure the first rank?
Actually, I'll say that we always hope for the best, right? My exams went well. I was expecting that, I might come in top 10, but not the first one. But I'm very happy. I'm very grateful to God that He got me. I was able to do it because of Him.
So tell us more about your preparation for these exams.
Yeah. So I will say my preparation began from day one. It began from class 11, not only from 12. From class 11, basically class 11 is like a base for class 12, right? Whatever you study in 11 is applied in class 12. So the most important thing which I followed is to study daily. I tried to study, but when I needed a break, when I was tired of everything, I gave myself a break. I didn't study, I went out with my friends. But I also focused on my concept. I don't think so I ever memorized anything. All I focused was the concept, especially maths, eco and accounts. The most important thing, you focus on your concept, and then later you can go and learn something which needs to be done. And one more thing was, I'm a very curious person actually. I always have doubts, and my teachers were such that they never failed to clear my doubts. If I would ask one thing to them, like 100 times, they would clear it 100 times, and they would teach me in a way that my concept was clear. And they also ensured that they will check my presentation. So I feel with all this, my preparation was complete, and it wouldn't be complete without my teachers. My tuition teacher as well, Sir Amarvindari, he helped me with accounts, and I feel I couldn't do this without all of them. I'm very grateful to them.
So what is the subject you find is the toughest the most for you?
To be very honest, there is no subject I find tough. If there is something tough, then I give it more time, and I consult with my teachers that what should I do. I'm facing problem in this. And to all the juniors, or to anyone who is preparing, even if you're in class 7, in 8, any class you might be in, if you're thinking a subject is tough, first you self-study. Self-study is very important. You sit in solace, you sit alone, you study and you see where actually is your problem. Maybe it is one paragraph, maybe it's one chapter, maybe it's one single line. And then you go and clear it with your teacher. So that's what I did. There's nothing which is impossible or very difficult. Yeah, in the beginning everything seems difficult, everything seems confusing. But at the end, when you seek help, when you give time, you try to study on your own, and when you take help from the teachers, everything will be clear. So there was not really something which is difficult.
In a day, how many hours you study?
Well, to be honest, I don't have a particular answer for this because there isn't. I feel we are all humans and there is things which varies in us, right? Today we might feel to study, tomorrow we might not. But I always make sure that I'll study something. If I don't feel like studying anything new, I'll revise something which is old. Or if some days I'm feeling very, very bad, I'll just sleep. I will not do anything. I'll do maybe use social media or something. But try to study daily and try to focus on concepts. And if you're weak at some subject, give it more time and consult with the teachers. That's what I did.
So, what do you plan to do next?
So next I'll be pursuing my graduation, and along with that I'll be doing something.
As graduation in like, professional academics, what is your choice?
Sorry?
Like your graduation, like what's your
BCom
choice?
honors.
BCom honors. You choose academics. Why do you choose academics over professional studies?
I'm choosing both. I'm doing BCom along with CA. I feel it's important because at the end I feel like day by day you have to improve your skills, and I feel doing both will eventually help me in future.
Disha Roy Chaudhary, and I have received the second rank in the HSSLC MBOS examination in 2025.
Hello everyone, my name is Shweta Sharma and I have secured the third position in HSSLC exam 2025.
So how was the exams?
I was not expecting this good a result, but it was okay. Yeah.
I was quite surprised to see my name, but it really feels good.
You did not expect.
I did not expect such good results, but yeah, I expected to be in top 10, but I did not expect top 3.
What about you?
I was even doubtful about top 10 once, so yeah, it's very unexpected.
So how was your preparation for these exams?
Preparation was, I just focused on the concept and just practiced. That's all that I can say.
For me also it's the same. I did not have any routine or anything, but yeah, I always had a target in mind that today I need to finish this, I have to do that, and until and unless I finish that, I did not go to bed.
So in a day, how many hours you study?
There was no fixed hours, but yeah, it depended. Like if I had to study physics, I gave more time, and I was good in chemistry, so I gave less time there. So it depended like what I'm studying.
Even I didn't have a fixed routine or anything. Just saw how much I could do in a day without tiring myself out too much, and like I studied till I could study.
So what is your toughest subject?
For me, it's chemistry. Yeah, I did not like that subject really.
For me, it was physics. Actually, it was very difficult for me. I did not like it very much. So, and chemistry was the easiest subject for me, like exact opposite.
Yeah.
So what do you plan to do next?
I want to pursue engineering. So, yeah, that's my plan for now.
Yeah, same. I'll be doing engineering in CSE. Computer science engineering. Yeah.
Te Nyngkong ni siap ni dat ke jingban ni ai ku play ai ngu play bla ai bla ku do ya school jingi aku ke port school jingi ka one board sekpat kham tam ai ha ka HSSLC result jong ki borok ki stream science arts but commerce te ni dat ke jingi stongu kham tam ai ya kino hikai ki bla ai tin dak musim ban gira pan hikai ban bu dia ni ki dikna ju e ki jong na school jingi ru Kibala 3 minutes but kibala bu I bore I saw ye labi daka jing 3 storm but daka jing I pour daka jing uli ki kot slab daka jing bu din je ki ki pa menta usama ka ju por ni yo ya science ru kumba real ki position jong ki top 10 but ki number ki ba appear ha ki science stream ki day she's pan real but yo ba kandai %.40 na ki arts but ni don jinglai spa so ho ki ba appear te baro ki bon ki ba pass ting yo kandai %.88% na ki commerce ni don kumba spa arts pa chipo te naka commerce stream ni don kemba ngiok percentage kendai 0.08 but ki rank holders jong ki commerce stream ni don sao naki art stream ni don lai te nyai kublai kini kena kibla one skmat kiba la pen no sarong ya ka school but ya ni baro kibe tre lang ba pet kiba but dien yaki te ngikmi yet but ngikmi lan ti shu ban ni skmat ka school jong ni ro kenang ya kristom but ya ki kena bring nang la shu ban I sim ai kujing kai ba biang but kunjur ni don kujing ke ban shu dan skmat ba nginang ya pau ya ka school jong ni ba kujing tre lang
Hato pi kadiri siang hato pada kadiri sing beringkong kadi ka ba hato hotline extension na lagi live form.
Ajing shisha kan ni kamde ka ba Nyngkong re ka man lau sem kisin at least pau skmat. Ajing shisha ka science stream hakini kisinam ki bala ledru ki wan bit skmat re menta ki le khambha ngi yo jing riungut re lai sau sinam men chuang yo na du first adu 10 tang sen anthony's but ki commerce ru lai sinam men chuang yo na du first adu 10 ki art stream berbol ngi yo ko basan sipo kani kamdi ke Nyngkong re jing syang kat ke jing pejonga ngai iba kasa ki group prepare malau suam ki bawan don ki group ki batch ki ba ibyang bet ki mo ba trace tom ba don kata jing nang jing start ba jing minot ke ki ni yo ke result ke ba don ba ki group menta usam ki byang mencipsam ki byang te kasa ki group joki te nak benta kasin antlis kamde ke ba semua lengo ba ni yo kan ni jing syam tangi la here ni don ke ba khalangut mencipsam ni don jing hat prangut te nakoi kapor kumang ong mga kasa aki batch pa. O ni barbol ni don ka tactics ni ju pet ni ju ong ki kena ya kino hikai ba ya kitu gibla nang la start gibla yo iki max be ki man nang prepare ya lade re ni don pat skiwe pat ki ba long average so kiwe pat ki ba long kham duna te teng ju ong ki kini ki kena bat ni ju kuntu ba haba pure break la tapi don kenu ke jing ki doubts clarification ke bab ma pi de ban ya kendu kino hika kenu po pila ban kendu ban clear ki doubts re bangi dang ya ki ju bamtang i bagi kena ru kimda kit kya than hadu kata isu kermen bat sungai bangi salah hadin bat prepare last moment pi de kata ora kenya ke jing here so ko we ru kanika social media ru ka ju ko kadeka way kat nak bentak ke kena kila ai por sebelah palat hadu bakim la suban fokus mo 100% ya ka kot keslah ke jengki ke te banang kentiu susu kena jumbe nang le bah ke datang koi bang nyap nak kalian juga school nang ya bodin bat kentu bat sneng bat I see me ki bat ya kalentik bah kalentik ke badai ban lat por barbor ban maintain ka balance jong ke jing im jong ki hakinu kinu bentah balada ki le kata ka por ki don kata ka target ki don ka timetable ka biang ka try ki jing tre jong ki senang wan ra shushu ya result ka bakham ba shushu